back! We're so glad you decided to join us again for one more edition of Easy Cheesy. Since we're still enjoying spring, you know, with all the flowers and stuff, we decided to make an amazing and fresh recipe! So today we're going to be making lemon pie. And yes, it has a cheesy twist. It has cream cheese. That's still cheese, guys, and it's going to give it the perfect creamy texture. Remember, if you like this recipe, click like, subscribe, and the little notification bell on the bottom as well, so that you can receive all the recipes that we make. So, let's begin. There are basically 3 ways to make the pie crust. Number 1, go the easy way and buy a pre-made pie crust. You cheaters. Number 2, make your own traditional pie crust with a little bit of flour, eggs, and such. Number 3, my personal favorite, make your pie crust with butter, brown sugar, and crackers. You can crush your crackers in many different ways. You can use a food processor, a blender if it's good enough, a mortar and a pestle, your hands, or you can do it my way and use a rolling pin. All you have to do is to mash them down like you were chasing a mouse around your kitchen. But be careful with your counter and tables, guys.
Nous allons devenir de grands champignons à agrémenter notre recette. Bien, cavalerie ça.
There's a difference between lemon pie and key lime pie. Lemon pie, yellow. Key lime pie, green. Yes, I don't have a lime right now, so imagine a lime over here. If you're not a fan of meringue, that's fine. You can just skip it. I love it, Remy loves it, so ours is going to have a lot of delicious meringue. You can also use whipped cream if you like. Well, what do you know? Who knew, Remy, that you could add cheese to a lemon pie? Alright, so you guys, this smells and looks delicious. It's a lemon pie with cheese. For your convenience, Mickey shaped. So if you like this recipe and you want to make it, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, all you have to do is say, cheese please, and we'll add a cheesy twist to any recipe. See you in the next episode, guys. Bye-bye.
I really loved this episode. What do you think about the episode, Pluto? Yeah, I totally agree with you. That's English, by the way. Remember to subscribe to Easy Cheesy. We're looking forward for a new recipe with more cheese.